The barn had not been opened in years. Dust covered the floor. Leaves gathered in corners where time had settled in silence. Sunlight slipped through broken wood, carrying the weight of forgotten days. Hidden beneath the torn, yellow tarp rested something once loved. When the cover was pulled away, the past revealed itself. A 1953 Chevrolet Corvette C1, a car that once meant everything, now sat worn and tired. Its deep maroon paint, once vibrant, had faded into the color of memory. Chrome dulled. Tires flattened. Time had taken its toll, but not its story. They stood beside it, hand in hand. This was the car of their youth. The car that carried laughter, late-night drives, and dreams too big to name. It waited outside a church on the day they promised forever. And when life grew busy, it waited quietly, until it was forgotten. But love, like memory, never truly disappears. She squeezed his hand and whispered, "We can't let it end like this." So they turned to someone who understood. Not just a mechanic, but a caretaker of history. He walked around the Corvette slowly, touched its faded paint, looked through the cracked glass. "This car doesn't need replacing," he said. "It needs remembering." And so the work began. The Corvette was lifted for the first time in decades. Rust was uncovered. Age revealed. Every bolt loosened with patience and respect. The heart of the car, the blue flame engine, was dismantled piece by piece. Cleaned. Restored. Brought back to life. Inside, the torn red seats were replaced by hand. The dashboard gauges were freed from stillness, ready to measure time once again. Weeks turned into months. Slowly, carefully, the Corvette returned. The deep maroon paint shined again. Chrome reflected light like it once did. White walls stood tall, proud, ready. And then... the engine breathed. Smooth. Honest. Alive. On a clear morning, the call came. "It's ready." The garage door lifted. Light rushed in. And there it stood, their Corvette.
Corvette. Reborn. For a moment, there were no words. Only tears. Only smiles. They didn't see a car. They saw themselves young, fearless, full of hope. They saw open roads and endless summers. They saw a life built together, mile by mile. "This isn't just our car," he said softly. "It's our story." He opened the door for her, just like he always had. The engine started. The road waited as the Corvette rolled forward. The past and present became one. Time had changed them. Life had tested them. But some things, once restored, never fade. And as they disappeared down the road, they weren't chasing youth. They were carrying it